This is a speed test between the iPhone 17 Pro Max versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max from 2 years ago. Now, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has the A19 Pro, which is a 3nm chipset. It has Apple GPU 6-core graphics, iOS 26, 12 gigs of RAM, very nice, versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max from 2023. Now this one has the A17 Pro, which is also a 3nm chipset, also has Apple GPU 6-core graphics, and this one, yes, has been updated to the iOS 26. However, this one only has 8 gigs of RAM, so let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time and see which iPhone will have the faster boot up. And let's go! iPhone 17 Pro Max versus iPhone 15 Pro Max speed test comparison. Which iPhone will have the faster boot up? Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. The iPhone 15 Pro Max from 2023, from 2 years ago, actually had the faster boot up. You saw it right here on camera. Gotta say, gotta document it. It is what it is. Let me know your thoughts about that in the comments down below. And we are in. Gonna go ahead and swipe over here. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. Gonna do this on both iPhones. And as you can see, there is nothing in the background on both devices. All apps, caches, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, let me know down below. We'll go ahead and do this on the 15. We'll leave it right there. Calculator. Ooh, again, very close. I don't know, man. I'm gonna call that a draw. So do me a favor, slow down the video for me on YouTube, 0.25x, and let me know down below. Let's go ahead and put in a quick calculation here. And we'll leave it right there. Messages. And again, very close. I don't know, man. I think that was a draw again. Let me know down below. The camera. Ooh, very close. Kind of hard to tell. Let me know down below. We'll go ahead and flip to the front facing here. And we'll go ahead and leave it there. App Store. Okay, I'm gonna give that to the 17. Let's go ahead and just click on a random thing here. We'll click on this one. We'll do that again here, so it's the same page. We'll leave it there. Amazon. Ooh, very close, but I think that was the 17 Pro Max there. We'll go ahead and click on this shoe, and we'll just leave it on this page. eBay. Give that to the 17. We'll go ahead and click on this shoe. We'll click on this purple one. We'll go ahead and leave it there. Snapchat. Give that to the 17. Facebook. Ooh, very close. Again, slow down the video for me, 0.25x on YouTube. Let me know down below. Instagram. Ooh, very close, but I think that was the 17. Threads. 17. Angry Birds 2. Starting up, log in already on the 15. Whoa, look at the 15 here. Oh, what's gonna happen? Oh, okay, that was interesting. I'm gonna give the win to the 17 Pro Max, but for a minute there, I thought the 15 Pro Max was actually out in front for a little bit. That was an interesting one. Very nice. Mario Run. Loading on both. Tiny bit faster on the 17. We'll tap to begin. Oh, so close on that one. Sonic Boom. Faster on the 17 here. And what's going on with the 15 here? Uh-oh. Do we have a crash? Do we have a crash? I think we might have a crash here on the 15. It's stuck. Well, I'll tell you what. Go ahead and clear that out. We'll give the 15 another chance here. Oh, Oh, okay, there you go. Gave that a second shot, but the 17 Pro Max here, tiny bit faster. We'll play Subway Surf. Ooh, give that to the 17. We'll tap to play Temple Run 2. Loading on both. And again, the 17 Pro Max here, tiny bit faster. We'll tap to play. And just for giggles, we do have the clock app here. We'll go ahead and just start this up and let that run in the background just cause. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the app management here, or the RAM management rather, on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now, the key difference here is, other than the processor, obviously, 15 Pro Max, 8 gigs of RAM. The new 17 Pro Max here, 12 gigs. So will that make a difference? You know, iOS, generally speaking, is very well optimized, especially on the Pro devices here. So we'll see if that makes a difference for, you know, for this. So you can see here, that's still running. Let's go to the Subway Surf. We can resume. Whoops. Missed touch there on the left. That was not lag. Sonic Boom. And we can resume this. Honestly, I think both phones will just fly through this, including the 15 Pro Max, despite it having 4 gigs less memory, but we'll see what happens. Mario Run. We can continue that, no issues. Angry Birds. There you go, running just fine. Threads. Same place. Instagram. Same place. Facebook. No lags. Snapchat. Good to go on both. eBay. We can continue to shop. Very nice. Amazon. More shopping. Very nice. App Store. Very nice. We can install this if we wanted to. No issues, no lags. The camera. Both on the front facing there still. Very nice. Messages. Non-issues. Calculator. There you have it. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Did you go out and buy yourself the brand spanking new iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, or the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let me know down below what your thoughts about the cosmic orange on the new 17 Pro series. Also, let me know down below your thoughts on the iPhone Air. That phone looks pretty cool. It's super thin, but I question its battery life, and it only has essentially one camera lens in the back to keep it thin. So I don't know about that phone, but it does look pretty cool, enjoyable to hold. But outside of the aesthetics, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts about that phone down below. Or what are your thoughts on the regular iPhone 17, which is a pretty good phone as well. If you're on a tighter budget, you can just go with that. Non-issues. And that phone also now has the 120Hz Pro display, so you're not missing out on anything in that regard. Or are you gonna stick with your iPhone 15 Pro Max from 2 years ago? Now, as you saw in this video, it's keeping up with the 17 Pro Max, a phone that's 2 years newer, obviously, than the 15 Pro Max. Now, there was that little lag on one of the games here. I restarted that app launch again, and it kept up pretty much with the 17 Pro Max, only a split second behind. 15 Pro Max is still a very good phone with the iOS 26, feels brand new again. So if you have iPhone 15 Pro Max, really no need to upgrade to the 17 unless you're that type of person where you just gotta have the new phone, then by all means spend that money. But from a practicality standpoint, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max, still very good phones in 2025. Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this quick little speed test in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.